Remember back in 2017, the York Roscoe went viral around the world. It was crazy with the Yorkie Pud wrap. Now it's your chance to get involved. This summer, we are starting off a competition, the Great Yorkshire Pudding Challenge. We want you to make the next best Yorkshire pudding dish for the York Roscoe. Andrew, what are you looking for?
Well, I think we're looking for the ultimate Yorkshire pudding, aren't we? We're looking for something that's innovative. We're looking for that special ingredient to go in it.
The finals will be here at the Cookery School at the Grand in York on the 1st of August. Make sure you get here. We need you to create a recipe and we need you to take a photo of your dish. Then it's going to go on social media and you, the public, will judge. Get your entries in via Facebook, Instagram or Twitter at the York Roscoe. For full details, go to our website, theyorkroscoe.com, the Great Yorkshire Pudding Challenge.